Okay, now on to dessert. So for pudding this week, we got a little bit excited. We've got some whipped Mawley cream, some chocolate sauce, some Herefordshire berries, and some chocolate soufflés. Okay, so we've got our oven set to 180, which I did immediately after cooking the venison. Now we're going to pop in and pop on. You get these in the oven and they're going to take 12 minutes at 180 to be ready. Okay, in the meantime, we can get our chocolate sauce. Spoon out the chocolate sauce, if you can get it out. We'll put that on a low heat. We'll do the same with the berries. I've just warmed up the chocolate. I'm going to get my bowls ready. Wow, they've gone up, look. So those little soufflés we put in to start with have now grown into bigger soufflés. So, time to plate up, so pop that soufflé in the middle. Try not to damage it. There we go. Next we're going to go chocolate sauce. Right. Cream next. Well, if you can keep it on there, excellent. This will probably just knock it off, but let's see. Oh. Is everyone scared? So something like this. Something like this, I guess. Not going to put any more on there.